Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, upnextmalyt. Hey, look, bro. I just woke up. It's like, I don't like, nigga. It's like 9 a.m. No cap. But nah, look, I'm about to show y'all basically like my little night routine. I sometimes do this in the morning. If I don't take a shower at night, I take a shower in the morning. You feel me? But yeah, so I do this at night pretty much all the time. I think. Nah, I'm just playing. But nah, today I'm gonna be showing y'all like how to basically shower with your dreads. You feel me? So this a little quick basic tutorial. Yeah, nigga, why is you singing, nigga? You can't sing, nigga. Stop. You're embarrassing me and yourself. Oh my god. This nigga is listening to Lil Uzi Vert. But nah, no cap. I need a haircut. I need all that type of shit. But look, bro, I haven't neglected all of these items, bro. I swear, nigga. Like, I got all them videos placed in order. Like, you just gotta understand. I filmed like 10, probably about 10, I'll say 9 to 12 videos at a time. I film 9 to 12 videos at a time, right? And then I just sit down and like each and every day I edit them. Cause y'all know I be posting 3 times a day. I be posting 3 times a day for y'all. So this is the 3 p.m. upload. Going crazy for it right now. But yeah, bro. I got some stuff going on for my Patreon. Shout out to the people in my Patreon. Shout out to the Dread Journey people. If you got dreads right now, bro, and you going through the Dread Journey, man, click the link in the description and click on Dread Journey. Alright? Click on the Dread Journey, alright? That's a bet. Because that's the way, bro. That's the way we helping y'all. Gonna hear about this more in a few minutes, but for right now, bro, I think Mal he choosing the song. But nah, like a lot of people have been asking me, yo Mal, like how you do this, how you shower with your dress, I just be showing y'all simple stuff that y'all be asking me. Y'all be DMing me this and that and the third. Y'all be DMing me on Instagram. Like I said, the whole reason I created that community, the whole reason I created that team, basically, the Dread Journey team, basically, is because y'all be DMing me like crazy on Instagram. So to answer all y'all questions and this and that and third, y'all gonna hear about that later, right? But getting back to the video, right? It's a very easy process for me because like I told y'all in the video before, I let the shower basically moisturize my hair. I let the mist of the water of the shower moisturize my hair, and that's the only moisturization that my hair gets. I don't apply no oil, no mousse, no none of that. You know what I'm saying? So that be that. Y'all about to hit this ad right quick, my own personal ad. So stay tuned, bro. Watch the whole video. I'm thinking I decided to make this in order to help everyone in their own personal dread journey. All right. This community will be centered around the advancement and progression of dreads, including how to wash, how to keep them up to par, and we will all share our experiences, what has helped us individually so that we may help others in this community. Alright, so make sure you go in the link in the description and join the dread community right now for only $10 a month, okay? $10 a month, that's all you need. And you will be tapped into other people's experiences, you know what I'm saying? So all my subscribers, they'll be inside this community. If you support me, if you're a fan of me, if you whatever, man, if you rock with me, make sure if you have dreads, you know what I'm saying? If you love my dread videos, all this type of stuff, make sure you go in the link in the description, click the Patreon link, and join the dread community. All right, join the Dread Journey community. This is where we will be all sharing our experiences and everything like that. So I know a lot of you guys hit me up on Instagram about asking me questions and this and that and the third. This is for you guys, all right? So make sure y'all do that right now. The Dread Journey, the Patreon link in the description. Make sure y'all click it. Join right now. $10 a month. That's all you need, all right? So like, what is that? A McDonald's meal? All right, basically hopping into the shower, you know what I'm saying? Not showing everything, you know what I'm saying? Not showing But yeah, bro, if I'm in front of the shower, bro, I'm letting my dreads hang, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't have the shower water in my face. I don't know how y'all niggas take showers, but probably most of y'all don't know how to take. No, I'm just playing with y'all niggas. But nah, like I step back from the shower, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna count. Sometimes like the back of my hair, right, the back part of my hair, the tips of it be having like soap on it and shit. Like none of that really matters to me. You feel me? Like look, you see my hair pretty much like my hair going down to my shoulder now. So what I'm probably gonna do, what I'm most likely gonna do now is this is what I'm gonna do, right? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. You feel me? But I'll show y'all that in a whole nother video. But this video I had a look at my shit. I done got goddamn soap on my face now. Fucking with y'all. But now but now when I'm washing my back and stuff like that, I ain't gonna cap. Sometimes I do be having a difficult ass time. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, right? But at the same time, bro, it's an easy, quick process. Hey, boy, what you washing there, boy? What you got? Oh, so you just gonna close the curtain on us like that? Okay. Oh, I see how it is. Okay. So a lot of you guys are either fans of me, you guys want to speak to me on FaceTime, anything like that. Y'all want to chop it up to me personally. And this is to build a better connection with me, the creator of this YouTube channel. A lot of you guys want to talk about your dread experiences, credit cards, anything like that, bruh. Make sure you click the link in the description. Set up an appointment, 30 minutes to an hour. 30 minutes is $20, the hour is $35. So all you gotta do is click the link in the description, set up an appointment to 30 minutes to an hour, whichever one you want, 30 minutes or you want the hour, to talk to Bill about anything, any life experiences, anything, or to just get a better connection with me as being the content creator of this channel, because you guys, I know you guys watch me daily. Go in the link in the description, do that right now, set up your appointment. Go ahead and book me before I be doing some more stuff. You know what I'm saying? Also, we have the dread community too. So I'm just throwing that out there. I know y'all seen that earlier, but we have the dread community too, the dread journey experiences too. So make sure all that will be in the link in the description. What you doing there, boy? You got the baby oil on you? Okay, I see you. But anyways, bro, after the shower, you know what I'm saying, I gotta moisturize the skin. I gotta moisturize the body, you feel me? After I get down moisturizing the hair, I gotta moisturize the body, you dig what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, basic baby oil. You know what I'm saying? Oil, baby oil, my nigga. That's what I use. Sometimes I use cocoa butter, but that be my brother cocoa butter, so I don't really supposed to be using that shit, so you know how they go. But, that be my brother cocoa butter. But yeah, so I apply it to my arms. Y'all can see, bro. I apply it to my chest, bro. I can see. Hey, bro, no homo throughout the whole video, bro. I got a towel. I got everything on. You know what I'm saying? So you ain't gotta be thinking, nah, bro. We just ain't got a shirt on because it's a shower video. You feel me? But either than that, if y'all new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below, turn on post notifications, bro. We posting 2 to 3 times. Nah, fuck that. We posting 3 to 7 times a day. I'm not gonna sit here and cap to y'all, alright? Make sure that subscribe button, follow me on all my social medias. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.